હેલો ગાઈસ, કેમ છો? નમસ્તે, હું છું કરિશ્મા એકે ઓ તેરી ખાના એન્ડ વેલકમ બેક ટુ માય ચેનલ.
नूस लग रहा मत करो, रहने दो बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो. तौबा तौबा तौबा.
કેમ છો તમે બધા? આઈ હોપ યુ ગાઈઝ આર ડુઈંગ ग्रेट एंड બધા મસ્ત મજામાં છો. एंड आई कैन स्वेयर ऑन दिस कि इस लॉकडाउन में सब लोग कोई कुछ ना कुछ तो बने रहा है. कोई आर्टिस्ट बन रहा है तो कोई कुंभकर्ण बन रहा है, कोई म्यूज़िक सीख रहा है तो कोई दोस्तों में बिक रहा है, कोई घर की साफ सफाई कर रहा है तो कोई दलगोना कॉफ़ी बना रहा है. और अजी हम इधर बन चुके हैं शेफ.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
गाइस, मैंने मेरी पिछली वीडियो में बोला था कि मेरे को सिर्फ मैगी और चाय बनानी आती है, बट आई स्वेयर ऑन माई सेल्फ इस 2 महीने में मैंने सब कुछ बनाना सीख लिया है. आई एम रेडी फॉर द शादी.
So today I am up with 5 Gujju dishes, 5 Gujarati dishes that we Gujaratis, we Surtis are proud of.
Also guys, I want to tell you a fact to all the non-Gujjus कि भाई ढोकला और खमन दोनों अलग चीज़ें हैं. Both are different dishes.
Wasting any more time, let's get started. I hope you guys like it because ये मेरी पहली try है. Please watch the video till end and tell me in comments that what is the Gujarati dish you crave for. मतलब अगर गुजरात गए कभी तो ये तो खाना ही है मेरे को.
2000 years later.
सूरती स्पेशल लोचो के लिए ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज टेक 2-3 cups ऑफ चने की दाल, वॉश इट नाइसली एंड soak it for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. After that, wash it very nicely and add it to the mixer or grinder and grind it nicely. Now comes the main ingredient, that is take a bowl of poha or suji or rava and add some garlic to it and add ginger and chili. You can also add the paste and mix it well in a grinder. Now add this to the locha and mix it well and keep it for 1 to 2 hours. After 2-3 hours you will see that how nicely फूल गया है और fermented it is. Now add masala, that is namak, स्वाद अनुसार, some hing and haldi powder. Now mix it well in a clockwise direction until it gets the perfect color. Now we need to steam this, so for that in a pan keep some water and keep a plate on it and add some oil. Now add the mix and let it set for 15 minutes. Okay, bye. And wowie. I'm sorry for this, but trust me, the locha taste exactly like bahar jaisa and it's super awesome. Now add some butter to it and some onions and of course for the savory taste add the save. Save is the main ingredient for Gujaratis and farsan, like उसके बिना तो काम ही नहीं चलता. Now nom nom, gulp it down. Bhungra bataka is the best snack ever. For this, all you need is 5-6 boiled potatoes. Add some haldi powder, धनिया पाउडर, नमक स्वाद अनुसार and some red chili powder. You can also add sauces to this, also some hing, and mix it well. Now in a pan, add some oil and add some garlic. You can also add the paste. Now add the potatoes and mix it well. In this, masala is important, so you can make it on your own. You can make it more spicy, you can make it sweeter. The spicier it is, the tastier it is. For the bhungra, take the oil, and bhungra are basically fry-ams. They are big and yeah, they are like this. So super yummy bhungra bataka is ready. Super स्वादिष्ट खींचू के लिए all you need is some rice flour, til, jeera, green chili paste and 1 chopped green chili and namak स्वाद अनुसार. Now in a pan, add 2 glasses of water and 1 spoon oil and let it boil for a minute. Now add all the spices into it: namak, til, jeera, green chili paste and the mirchis. Uff mirchi. Now mix it well. And add the rice flour. Add mix. Mix it well until all the lumps gets over and it looks smooth. Now on a plate, spread some oil and let the khichu get steamed for 5 minutes. And wowee! Now serve it with some red chili powder or methia masala if you have, and add some oil to it. It looks super yummy, and it is. Wow! It tastes so well, so nice. थेपला एंड गुजरातीज आर कोरिलेटेड. दोनों को एक दूसरे के बिना चलता ही नहीं है. सो फॉर दिस ऑल यू नीड इज़ आटा, गेहूँ का आटा. ऐड सम ग्रीन चिली पेस्ट, ऐड सम हल्दी पाउडर, नमक स्वाद अनुसार, ऐड सम धाना जीरू, दैट इज़ धनिया पाउडर, सम दही and chini, of course. Add some oil, and the main ingredient is methi. You need to wash this very nicely and add some methi, and now mix it and make a dough out of it. Add some water धीरे धीरे as you need it and make a perfect dough. अभी देखना ऐसा कलर ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाएगा. See? Wow! Let this rest for 10 minutes and make it like a roti or paratha, and yes, sek lo nicely and serve it with dahi, achar, chai or anything you have in the house. Wowie! Here comes the famous Gujju dessert, sukhdi. For this you need 4 tablespoons of ghee, let it melt and then add 1 cup of flour. Now you need to mix it very well. एक बहुत अच्छे से सेकना है इसको until the smell, the aroma of the ghee and the flour comes. Add more ghee if you need. and the texture should look something like this. It should be smooth. Now once you get the smell and you think that it's quite मतलब mix हो चुका है अच्छे से, then add gur, that is jaggery, to it and mix it well, and wowee, it's ready. Wait a minute. Now put some ghee on a plate and add the mixture and spread it in clockwise direction like this. मस्त ऐसे spread करने के बाद you need to make the stripes on it, like cut it into pieces, and then you need to let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can have it. It's super amazing and super quick. Wowee! Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.